The Counter Boring Tool 2ZDK Super Flat. The 2ZDK's 180-degree flat bottom allows for various machining applications such as slant surfaces, combination smooth chip control and high rigidity due to special flute shape. Now for some demonstrations. Hold counter boring. Counter boring after chamfer. Counter boring on an angled surface. Hole expanding and offsetting. Plunging on thin plate. As you can see, the 2ZDK covers a wide range of applications. Highly rigid short and flute style is now available. Take advantage of all the 2ZDK Super Flat has to offer. New expansion of Easy Bar lineup, Easy Bar Plus. The Easy Bar Plus offers cost efficiency with the same benefits of indexable tooling on a high-precision solid boring bar. 60% shorter setup time. Excellent repeatability of edge height and tool length. In addition to steel, solid carbide bars are available for long reach applications.